Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have a new recipe for you. We call it Keto or Keto taco casserole. It's cheesy, spicy, and super filling. The ingredients. What you need for the ingredients is 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, a half yellow onion, decided, 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons Keto taco seasoning mix, 1 jalapeño, seeded and minced, plus more sliced for serving. Also, we need 6 large eggs, lightly beaten, 2 shredded Mexican cheese, 2 tablespoons with freshly chopped parsley leaves, and last but not least, I would take 1 can of sour cream for serving. This is optional. You don't have, it's not, what you really need, but I like it for taste. Here you will find it. I made put some pictures for the people who don't know what it means. Olive oil, onion, beef, salt, black pepper, this is seasoning mix, jalapenos, eggs, the Mexican cheese, parsley, and this is sour cream. How you do this? How we can produce this all together? Well, I've written this for you. Let's have a look. Here are the instructions. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit in a large scale oven medium heat. Heat the oil, add the onions and cook it until slightly softened, at least 2 minutes. Add the ground beef and season with salt and pepper. Cook breaking up meat with a wooden spoon. Why wooden? Because it's better. And it's ready for until no longer pink. 6 minutes. Sprinkle in taco seasoning and jalapenos and cook this stirring until the spices are lightly toasted. 1 minute, drain and let cool slightly. In a large mixed bowl, whisk the eggs and add the meat to the mixture. Spread the mixture into an even layer in the bottom of a 2 square baking dish. Sprinkle this with cheese. Bake until set, and it takes about 25 minutes, more or less. It depends on the kind of oven you have. Sprinkle with parsley and the top of each slice with a dollop of your sour cream and jalapeno if desired. I would say bon appetit, enjoy your meal, and have a nice dinner. And last but not least, it's a bonus to you. Do you want to get some information how you can really take it away quickly? Then come over here in my description and click in the link right below the video. This slide I will put this in under the link in the video for live video too. Okay, this is for now. We see you later. Bye bye.